fix Instagram Music not showing all songs 2026. And hello everyone. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and fixes. If Instagram isn't showing all music songs in your Reels stories, don't worry. This is a common issue in 2026. Here's how to fix it safely. First, update the Instagram app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and make sure Instagram is the latest version. Old versions often hide some songs. Second, check your account type. Some accounts, especially business or creator accounts in certain regions, may have limited music access due to copyright rules. Switching to a personal account can restore full music options. Third, check your region. Instagram music availability varies by country. If your country has restrictions, some songs won't appear. Using the app in a supported country gives full access. Fourth, clear app cache or reinstall Instagram. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to refresh all features. Fifth, log out and log back in. This can refresh your account and fix minor glitches, preventing music from showing. Pro tip: avoid using third-party apps for music. Only use Instagram's official music library to prevent account issues. That's it! Now you know how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs in 2026. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment music fixed below.